birthday, Lolo May. Happy birthday, Lolo May. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo May.
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dad! So, happy birthday, Dad. Our wish for you is genuine happiness and peace of mind, and always remember to prioritize your health. We're so grateful for you, and we always love you, Dad.
You.
I want to hold and kiss her, give her my love, make her.
And Dad, happy birthday. And lagi kong wish is to stay healthy, happy ka lagi, and in peace and safety mo. So, enjoy your day and we love you so much.
Hello po, ako po si Justin, yung middle child ng anak nila. Si Dad po ay sobrang mabait na tao, tsaka humble, super athletic. At kung nakita niyo po yung dating pictures niya po, sobrang pong maganda yung katawan niya.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Dad, and more blessings to come. Thank you.
Dad is a very gift-giving person, and yun po yung isa sa mga nag-inspire sa akin para mag-share ng mga blessings na meron ako. Alam mo na yun, Dad, happy birthday. I love you so much, and enjoy your day.
So, ayun Dad, happy birthday. Ang masasabi ko lang kay Dad, siya yung taong, marami siyang experiences, kaya marami din siyang alam sa life, marami din siyang tinuturo sa amin, yun lang, and na-appreciate namin lahat yun. We love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Very serious siya when it comes to health. So with that being said, I hope you live a wonderful life, more blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday dito.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Dad.
I hope mag-enjoy po kayo dyan. Tsaka ingatan niyo po yung sarili niyo lagi. Iwas-iwas na rin po sa mga bawal ng mga pagkain po sana. Hindi na po kayo kumain ng mga bawal. And then, salamat po. Salamat po sa mga advices na mga binibigay niyo po sa akin. Thank you for being a great dad para po sa amin ng mga kapatid ko. Salamat po dahil nandyan po kayo lagi para kay mami, family natin.
Hi, Bebe, sa pinakagwapo at pinakamasarap kong asawa. It's your 60th birthday. Masaya ako dahil and thankful and blessed dahil naka-reach ka ng 60 and alam ko na halos naabot mo na yung desires of your heart, and thankful kami lahat, and I hope na ma-achieve mo yung age na gusto mo, and lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, less worries, more exercise, sleep early, drink more, and syempre alam ko naman na siguro ako na lang yung nag-iisa, no? And I'm always praying na bigyan ka lagi ng good life and good health.
balo mo naman, kailangan itang maintenance, kaya yung panulo, sana milakona, kaya kapangagwapo na ito. And wish you happiness and many more years of blessings and birthdays to celebrate with your loved ones. Happy birthday po, Kalibanda ka.
Message ko maka na be happy always. Sana yung kalusugan mo, kontakte lagi. At mawala na natin sana ng maintenance, sana yung money. So, wish you all the best and happy birthday.
Boy, happy birthday. Nakuha tayo salamat na may ikandalan din kami ng Benji at kay katatagan. Boy, thank you.
I wish for you to be healthy and strong, and I love you so much.
Okay? Close your eyes. Habang hinihinga, ayan, make a wish. Make a wish before blowing.